Nacer con una fisura labio-palatina no solamente es un reto, es un tratamiento desde el nacimiento hasta los 18 años.
It's basically the lack of consolidation of the palatal arch and the lips. We have a 14-year-old patient that's an athlete. She had a very severe cleft.
Y era un proceso muy duro. A la final era como muy feliz. Y siempre voy a estar muy agradecida con la fundación por ese apoyo.
Digital technologies help us to expand access. So whether that's through remote monitoring, whether that's through scanning and uploading those images in a way that they can be accessed by many people, accessed remotely, that's how it really all comes together.
We scanned her and we digitally created the teeth that are missing on the digital model. And then we 3D printed that model with the missing teeth, and then we thermoformed. So that's a perfect example of the magic of digitalization.
We believe a healthy smile can be transformative. That's why we are so proud to partner with Smile Train.
I truly believe that we are positively impacting the lives of people, and we see it on a day-to-day basis.